Hi everyone, I am so happy to be here. I have this really great large canvas today in front of me, 16 by 20 canvas. Now I'm going to be doing my final purple and white with the gold and silver, and this time I will be doing the silver sparkles. So the colors I will be using today are the gold. I have metallic gold here from Artist Loft, as well as metallic silver. My white is from Deco Art, and my purple today is a Liquitex Basics Prism Violet. So I'm excited to use that, and as I said before, I'll be using silver glitter this time. So I'm very excited for this painting, and I hope it comes out with nice sparkle and some nice movement. So here we go. So I'm really pleased with the silver glitter in this painting. I think it just looks stunning with the purple. I think the overall composition, I could have worked on a little bit more to get a little bit more movement, but I think that the cells and the details are just beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!